Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a new subscription service for you guys. New to me. I think it's been out there for a little bit. And this is the Quirky Crate Box. Now, I've been watching Curvy Hips and Tinted Lips for a little bit now. I really love her. Her name is Elizabeth with an A. And she's so cool. She's like super quirky. And she's like funny. And she's very like, I don't know, she just makes you happy, like when you watch her, you know, like you just get like all giddy, I guess. So she has done several unboxings of this box and I'm like, I need to try that box. It's quite expensive. This is like $39.95 a month, but I think all the products you get in here are like so worth it. Let's see if it's the same for this month. I was like, I need to try this at least once. She always says that it has like a Betsy Johnson vibe. And if you guys know me, you know I'm obsessed with Betsy Johnson. So I definitely had to try this subscription service at least one time. All right, guys. So this is Quirky Crate. I have not peeked in here yet. So I don't even know what's in here. As you can see, it's all intact. And this says, hey girl, yes, treat yourself, your quirky self. This is cute. All right, so then you get a card here. And this says, Moko Yobi, Julie Pinzer, founder and creative director. Julie started Moko Yobi in 2006 with a love of color and a heavy interest in sewing and bag construction. So there's going to be something in here that this person created. She majored in illustration at Parsons, the new school for design, to combine her love of making with unique textile designs. Each bag is designed from scratch with a focus on functionality and fun palettes. Once she sews the first sample, the pattern and all materials are brought to local specialized Los Angeles contractors where everything is produced. Moko Yobi offers bags, hats, apparel, and accessories. Each piece is made with the utmost quality and attention to detail. So it has her information here, and I like that they do that. If I'm not mistaken, in every box, I think they do that, which is, I think they're giving like an opportunity to like a creator to be able to be part of this box, which is super cool in my book, you know. So this is that, and then on the back it tells you everything that's in the box. So this is an iron-on patch which was created by her, and you can see right there it's like a rainbow colored like little squiggly line. And for people that are kind of like quirky, I consider myself a little bit quirky. A little bit. I like things like this. You know what I mean? Like, I think it's so cute. So that's an iron-on patch that she created. And it tells you on the back how to use it. And that is worth $6. The next thing in here is an enamel pin. And this is so cute. Like, if you're into like denim jackets and you get these things to like put all different kinds of pins on there, I think there's pins that come in like every single box. So like you could totally decorate your denim jacket super cute with this. And it says hot mess, and it's like a little hair dryer. I think that's super adorable. And let's see. This is worth $10. Guys, look at what these people have put into this box. Like, can you believe this? This is a straightening iron. Like, are you serious right now? It's a mini, and it comes in like this little box. You could take it with you to travel. Like, I'm in shock right now. This is why Curvy Hips and Tinted Lips is always like on a super high when she's doing this box, because everything in here is like amazing. So this is worth $16, and it's a travel, obviously a travel straightener. I think this is amazing. You don't have to take like your huge straightener with you. It's so cute. It's like a baby lavender, baby purple color with like the little hot plates in the middle are blue. This is so cute. And then all you have to do is put it in here in this little case and you take it with you. How cool is that? I really like this. This is $16. Next thing in here is, oh, this is like an enamel pin display banner. That's kind of cute. So like if you want to just collect all your pins, it has like the picture right here of how it would look. If you want to just collect your pins and put them here and then like display it like somewhere in your room or something, that's kind of cute too. I like this. It's different. It's really cute. All right, this is worth $12. I kind of like this. I'm telling you, if I had the budget to have this box like every single month, I probably would, because I kind of like this. All right, the next thing comes in here, and this is, so, oh, squeeze sides. Oh, there we go. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to open it. So this is a little pendant necklace, and this has an astronaut on it. That's kind of cute. I like that. So it has a little astronaut on it. It's just like different, you know what I mean? Like it's just different. It's not your usual. So this is called the Spaceman Enamel Pendant, and this is $15. I think that's kind of cute. All right, the next thing in here are some socks, which everybody loves getting socks. And these are Monstera leaf socks, and these are worth $8. Next thing in here are happy flags, and these are worth $4. So it says bring colorful cheer to any space. So I don't know if this is like a banner. It looks like it is. This is cute because you can hang this up anywhere and like you'll decorate your, yeah, this is like a little banner. Oh, that's so cute. I like that. I literally can hang this anywhere and it'll just change the space. Like if you're a creator, you can hang this behind you, like on your wall or whatever, and it just looks so cute. It's like rainbow colored. So I really like these happy flags. I think they're adorable. Those are worth $4. And then last but not least, guys, look at this. This is a donut crossbody bag. Like, are you serious right now? All right, so then it has the chain side, and you just clip that onto the sides, and there you have your little donut crossbody. Oh my God, this is so stinking cute. Like, I cannot get over this. And this is worth $24. And according to, well, I've seen her unboxings and it definitely is true. She says that there's always like a bag, like a cute little bag in every single box. So like that's amazing. And this definitely gives you like Betsy Johnson vibes. This is something that Betsy Johnson would have, you know, in her collection. So I think this is definitely adorable. I really love this box. It says the total value is $95. I definitely really like this box. I think it's adorable. I think it's super cute. And I like the things that it brings. It's so different and quirky. Like they couldn't have put a better name for this box. So I will think about possibly getting another month or something like that. I don't know. I'm kind of like on the fence about it because it's pretty pricey, but I really do like it. I think it's absolutely adorable. I love everything it brings. I definitely think it's worth it. I don't know why. I just love everything. So let me know what you guys think. This box kind of like makes you happy. I don't know. It's like a box where you open it, pull the stuff out, and it just makes you cheerful and happy. And you know what I mean? Now I know how she feels when she opens this box. All right, guys, let me know down below what you thought of this box. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my love.